First, let's open Google Chrome and let's type pnpclearance.ph. Then, register. Check natin your terms and conditions. Next rin. Then, I agree. Maglagay po tayo ng email kahit hindi naman siya totoong email. And then, 12-character password. Merong maliit na letra, malaking letra. May number at special characters. Kumpletuhin natin yung pangalan, middle name, then yung birth date, then save. Then, save password. Kung gusto nyo i-save yung password nyo. Ilagay nyo na ngayon yung account nyo, yung email at saka yung nagawa nyo password. And then, sign in. Then, fill up natin yung profile